Hi, my name is Preeta. I welcome you to my channel today. In this video, we are going to make a filling for croissant. We usually bring home our store-bought croissants and have it with butter and a little bit of ham. Today, we're going to do something a little different. Stick around until the very end and hope you try this dish at home. Very simple to make. For this, you will need I've got about 600 grams of potatoes, boiled and peeled. Next up, I have onions. About 100 grams of onions, which are sliced, thin slices that is. Also, I've got about a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which you can see right here. And then the sun's gonna set now, so let's get ourselves an additional light. The other set of ingredients, well, I'll show you as we go along. Grab a frying pan and add a little bit of oil. Keep the flame on medium. First, we'll take some chili powder. Next will be our yellow devil. Let's grab our turmeric powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we're gonna take a little bit of nutmeg. Where's my nutmeg? Pardon me while I play cat and mouse with my nutmeg bottle. That's embarrassing. Here it is. Throw in a little bit of nutmeg. The scientific name for nutmeg is Myristica fragrans. Interesting fact, I've never made this recipe before. Now, a bit of coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a little less than a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg's just for a little bit of aroma. So here I have my 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds ready to be fried in oil. Keep it on medium, give it a little bit of a stir for a few minutes, and then we are ready to add our onions. That lovely sizzle. Go ahead and add them. We will cook our onions until they caramelize. Let's add our powder ingredients to fry with the onions. Bring down the flame to low and stir for a few minutes until the onions are cooked and our powder mixture is also fried. At this point, we'll take about 50 grams of frozen green peas and add to this mixture. Now we'll get our flame back up to medium and continue cooking these frozen green peas for about 5 to 6 minutes. Crush the potatoes with your fingers and not with the fork. You want the pieces to be a little bigger than what you can get with a fork. Here I am going ahead and adding it to my mixture. Add a little bit of salt to taste. Give it a stir for the next few minutes. Time to stab. The potatoes, that is. There you go. Alright, so our filling is done. We're gonna take some croissants here. Stuff the croissants with enough filling. You're gonna love it. The filling will not even spill out. It's all done with the filling. Now, I'm not going to leave it with this. I will make a dip for this one. And this dip is very simple. Place this aside, yogurt, six of it. 6 tablespoons of yogurt. This is the very fatty Greek yogurt. A 1/4 teaspoon of my red chili powder. Salt according to taste. This amount of dip we have is good for 3 to 4 people. So I will comfortably add 2 cloves of garlic. We'll pound the garlic into a fine paste. Let's give it a quick mix. My husband's happy to try it on camera for me, so he's gonna taste it. Try it with the dip as well. Good. Croissant. If you like this recipe, give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel to catch me in my future videos. So, on that note, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.